light on a quiet stove, little hum where the warm winds glow. Eventide, soft footsteps slow, a melody starts to grow. Clink of spoons, a gentle beat, sugar, spice, and something sweet. Every dish a lullaby, floating up into the sky. Stir it slow, don't rush the flame, cooking love in every name. Close your eyes, let worries fly, taste the joy, a lullaby. Simmer dreams in pots of gold, stories in the meals we hold. Every bite will softly say, everything will be okay. Butter melts like a sunny day, dancing scents that drift away. Tiny laughs in the air will stay as worries fade to gray. Chop and mix a rhythm kind, leave your heavy thoughts behind. A thriver sings so true, a little piece just for you. Stir it slow, don't rush the flame, cooking love in every name. Close your eyes, let worries fly, taste the joy, a lullaby. Simmer dreams in pots of gold, stories in the meals we hold. Every bite will softly say, everything will be okay. Hush now, hear the kettle sigh, steam like clouds drifting